Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class in the chapter vector algebra. Okay, next questions. We have to discuss the exercise 10.2. Next question. Third one. Write the directions. Write two different vectors. Write two different vectors having same directions direction having same direction. Okay, and then telling before one question, write two different vectors having same magnitude. This type of questions is over. This one is same directions. We have to taking two different vectors, then prove same direction, then find out direction cosines. Direction cosines are what? Cos alpha is x by r, cos beta is y by r, cos gamma is z by r. L and n are the direction cosines. We have to taking two different vectors. For example, A vector is equal to I plus j plus k, and B vector is equal to 3i plus dj plus 3k. These two vectors are not equal. A vector is not equal to B vector. These two vectors are different. A vector is I plus j plus k. Okay, this is component form. 1, 1, 1 are the direction ratios. In this vector, 3, 3, 3 are the direction ratios. Scalar components. Then find out direct. These are x, y, z. These are x, y, z. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 3. First, you have to find magnitude of a vector. This means magnitude of a vector is r. Okay, x by r. R is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Okay, magnitude of a vector is what? Magnitude of r vector. Components form is xi plus yj plus zk. Then magnitude is what? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now r is equal to root 3. Okay, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And then magnitude of b is equal to r. Therefore, 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. R is equal to root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, root 27. Okay, this one can be written as 3 root 3. 9 into 3. Okay, 3 root 3. Therefore, we have to find first direction cosines of a vector are direction cosines of a vector. X, y, z is what? Here x, y, z is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This means x by r, y by r, z by r means x is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, y is also 1 by root 3, z is 1 by root 3. R means root 3. Direction cosines of a vector are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. This type of any vector is given, then find out direction cosines. For example, this one, in 1 mark, find the direction cosines of I plus j plus k. Next, you have to find direction cosines of b vector and direction cosines cosines of B vector are here x is equal to 3, x, y, z is equal to 3, 3. Okay. Now direction cosines of a B vector x by r, y by r, z by r. X is what? 3. 3 by r is 3 root 3 in B. Magnitude of B vector is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Comma same y by r. 3 by 3 root 3. Next 3 divided by z by r. 3 by 3 root 3. 3 get cancelled. This means direction cosines of B vector are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Observe that direction cosines of A vector are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Direction cosines of B vector are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Then we get say A vector is not equal to B vector, but direction cosines of A vector is equal to direction cosines of B vector. This type of any two vectors are taking, then different. A vector is not equal. A vector is you are taking 3r plus 3j plus. This type of any two vectors you are taking, then we get direction cosines of A vector is equal to direction cosines of B vector. Therefore, hence an infinite possible answers, an infinite number of possible answers. Okay, previous question also same. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. A vector is not equal to B vector, then magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude. That type of any two vectors are taking. Now answer is an infinite number of possible answers. Okay. Direction cosines of A vector is equal to direction cosines of B vector. Okay. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay. This is the other type of questions. 2 marks. Write two different vectors having same. Next question. Find the values of previous one question already homework. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A vector. Okay. Next question is find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj, okay, are equal. This type of question is over. Two vectors are equal. Then corresponding components are also equal. Then find the values of x and y. Solution. We are taking given vector is two vectors. A vector is 2i plus 3j and B vector is equal to xi plus yj. Now given that are equal, so that the vectors 2i plus 3j plus are directly we are taking given 2i plus 3j is equal to xi plus yj. Okay. Given A vector is equal to B vector. A vector is y plus 3j equal to B vector xi plus yj. These two vectors are equal. Or taking equating coefficients of I, J, K are equating coefficients of Ijk are equating components. Corresponding component to vectors are equal. Corresponding components are also equal. Okay, equating coefficients of I, Z. We get I and Z. We get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Next question. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2 comma 1 and terminal point minus 5 comma 7 This question 1 mark important. This type of question 1 mark important. Okay, find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point. Initial means starting point. Now A is the initial point, B is the terminal point. Okay, A point is 2, 1. B point is minus 5 comma 7. Then find out vector and scalar component. First, you have to find vector joining 2 points. AB vector is equal to OB minus OA. Then you will get components form. Okay, then you will get components of a vector. Okay, then find out scalar and vector components. Components form is what? Xi plus yj plus zk. Then find out scalar and vector components. Solution, like A point is 2 comma 1 and B point is minus 5 comma 7. Then next is quotient vector of the point A with respect to the origin. Now OA vector is equal to 2i plus j and OB vector, quotient vector of the point A B with respect to the origin O minus 5i plus 7j. Then AB vector is equal to vector joining 2 points. OB vector is equal to AB vector is equal to OB minus OA. OB vector is minus 5i plus 7j minus OA vector is y plus j. Now AB vector is equal to minus 5 minus 2. Separating ijk. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7i. Next 7j minus j plus into minus 7j minus j plus 6j. Okay. Then this is of the format xi plus yj plus zk components form. X, y, z are scalar components. Okay. Now xi, yj and zk are vector components. Therefore, scalar components are what? Minus 7 and 6. Vector components are minus 7i and 6j. That we have to find. Okay. Therefore, the scalar components, the scalar components are minus 7 and 6. Minus 7 and 6. And the vector components are, minus 7i and 6j. Don't write minus 7i plus 6j. Don't write. Okay. Minus 7i and 6j. These are vector components. Next question. Find the unit vector in the find the sum of the vectors. Find the sum of the vectors. Find the sum of the vectors. A vector is equal to I minus 2j plus k. B vector is equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k, and C vector is equal to I minus 6j minus 7k. Minus 7k. Find the sum of the vectors. A vector equal to I minus 2j plus k. B vector is equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k. And C vector is equal to I minus j minus 7k. Minus 7k. Solution. Sum of the vectors. Then find out A plus B plus C. Then find out what? A plus B plus C. Now, A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector is I minus 2j plus k plus B vector is minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k plus C vector. C vector is I minus 6j minus 7k. Minus 7k. This implies now A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to, separate adding I and j, I, j and k term. I minus 2i, I minus 2i minus I, minus I plus I, or I plus I 2i, 2i minus 2i 0i. Okay, next term j terms adding minus 2j plus 4j, minus 2j plus 4j minus 2j plus 2j, 4j minus 2j 2j, 2j minus 6j minus 4j. Okay, or another one step, I minus 2i plus I, okay, plus minus 2i minus 2j plus 4j minus 6j. This type of, or directly add k plus 5k minus 7k. Okay, separately. I plus I 2i minus 2i, 2i minus 2i 0. Next is minus 2j plus 4j, or minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, 4 minus 8 minus 4j. This one k 6k minus 7k plus k. This is the answer. Okay, sum of the vectors. Next question. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. Direction of the vector PQ vector. PQ vector where P and Q are the points are the points are the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. Okay. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A vector. A vector is given, then given by what? A cap is equal to A vector divided by magnitude of A vector. Unit vector form. But in this question, unit vector in the direction of the vector is what? PQ vector. PQ vector, where P and Q are given points. Then find out what? PQ cap. Unit vector in the direction of the vector A vector is what? A cap is equal to A divided by magnitude of A. PQ cap is equal to what? PQ vector divided by magnitude of PQ vector. This one is final. First we have to find PQ vector joining 2 points. OQ minus OP. Okay. This one also 1 mark or 2 marks in this question. Solution. Now the P point is 1, 2, 3. Q point is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Now OP vector is what? The position vector of the point P with respect to the origin. I plus 2j plus 3k. OQ vector is 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Okay. Then we have to find PQ vector. Then find out PQ cap. Then find out PQ cap. The unit vector is the direction of the vector PQ vector. Then is given by what? PQ cap. PQ cap is PQ vector divided by magnitude of PQ vector. PQ vector, this is the form AB vector. OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP. Now OQ vector is 4i plus 5j plus 6k minus OP vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, PQ vector is equal to 4i minus I, 3i, 5j minus 2j, 3j, 5j minus 2j, 3j, 6k minus 3k, 3k. PQ vector is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. And you have to find magnitude of PQ vector. Root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Root 27. 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27. 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Therefore, required unit vector is what? PQ vector. PQ cap. Required unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ vector is given by. Therefore, the unit vector the unit vector in the direction of the vector, PQ vector is given by PQ cap is equal to PQ vector divided by magnitude of PQ vector. Okay, PQ cap is equal to this one. PQ vector is 3i plus 3j plus 3k whole divided by 3 root 3 magnitude of 3 is common. I plus j plus k divided by 3 root 3. 3 get cancelled. Answer is I plus j plus k whole divided by root 3. This is the unit vector PQ vector. Okay. Next question. For given vectors, A vector is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k and B vector is equal to minus I plus j minus k. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector. A vector plus B vector. A vector plus B vector. Okay. A vector plus B vector. This type of already one question is over. Same previous question, but PQ vector is find out. That one is A vector plus B vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. A vector is A cap is equal to A divided by magnitude of A. But this one is unit vector in the direction of the vector A vector plus B vector is given by A plus B whole cap is equal to A plus B divided by magnitude of A plus B is 1. Okay, this one is 1. Okay, or you have to mention A plus B is equal to C vector. C cap is 1. First, we have to find A plus B. Write the given vectors. A vector is minus I plus j minus k, and B vector is equal to 2i minus. A vector is 2i minus j plus 2k. Now B vector is minus I plus j minus k. Okay. Now we have to find A plus B. A vector plus B vector. 2i or directly 2i minus I or 1 right one step plus minus I plus j minus k. A vector plus B vector is equal to 2i minus I minus j plus j minus j plus minus j plus j 0j 2k plus minus 2k minus k. Okay, this is A plus B. Can say C vector. Okay, this implies magnitude of C vector is equal to root of 1 square square is 1 plus 0 plus 1 square is root 2. Root 2. Required unit vector is a plus b whole cube. Whole a क्या a plus b whole क्या a plus b और taking what c vector. Required unit vector c cap is equal to c divided by magnitude of c vector. Okay. Now c cap is equal to c vector is I plus k 0 0 I plus k divided by root 2 or c cap is equal to separate divide 1 by root 2 I 1 by root 2 k 1 by root 2 I. Or previous this one also same. 1 by root 3 I. 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. This problem previous one. Separate divide. Or c cap is equal to 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 k. This type of questions 2 marks. Next question. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector. Find a vector in the direction. Find a vector. Find a vector in the direction. In the direction. In the direction of. In the direction of vector 5y minus j plus 2k plus 2k which has magnitude 8 units which has magnitude 8 units. A vector having magnitude equal to and in the direction of a vector and b vector. Now a vector is this. Only a vector is given. Then find out that a vector is equal to 5i minus j plus 2k. Then find a into a cap. Find a vector in the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k which has magnitude 8 units. 8 into a cap is find out. First you have to find a cap. Now magnitude of a vector is root of 5 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square is equal to 25 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root 30. Therefore, a cap is equal to a vector divided by magnitude of a vector. Important in 2 marks. Okay. A vector is given vector 5i minus j plus 2k whole divided by root 30. Required unit vector. Therefore, required unit vector is 8 into a cap, 8 into a cap is already find out 5i minus j plus 2k whole divided by root 30. Okay. 8 into a cap is equal to 8 into 5, 40i minus 8j plus 16k whole divided by root 30. This is the answer. Now separately divide. This one is what? The vector having magnitude is equal to what? 7 and in the direction of what? In the direction of what? A vector is given by 8 vector. Is magnitude is equal to 8 and has direction is a vector is given by 8 into a cap. A cap is already find out. Okay. This type of another question homework. 10 next is 11. Find a vector in the direction of the vector. Direction of the vector. A vector is equal to I minus 2j. That has magnitude 7 units. That has magnitude 7 units. Same procedure. But A vector is only I minus 2j. Same procedure. First you have to find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. A vector is A cap is equal to A divided by magnitude of. And the vector has magnitude 7 is equal to what? 7. And in the direction of A vector. And in the direction of A vector. Okay, he is given by 8 into A cap. Not magnitude of A is, don't take in magnitude of A is equal to 7 or 8 this one. Okay, the vector as magnitude is equal to 7. And vector as unit vector in the direction of A vector is given by 8 into A cap. Okay, the direction of A vector is 7 into A cap is find out. Next questions. Show that the vectors show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Are collinear. Are collinear. This question one more important. Show that the vectors A vector and B vector are collinear. I am telling in a scalar multiple of a vector. A vector and B vector are collinear. This one is A vector. This one is B vector. Okay. These two vectors are collinear. Now B vector is equal to 2 times A vector. 2 times A vector. Okay, this one is lambda times A vector. Or A vector is equal to B times lambda times B vector. A vector and B vector are collinear. The A vector is the scalar multiple of B vector. The vector B is what? A vector. Scalar multiple of A vector. This type of discussion. We are taking first left. A vector is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k, and B vector is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Observe that B vector is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. In B vector, minus 2 is common. Then we get 2i. 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4i. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 6j. Plus into minus minus 2 into 4 8k. Okay. This one is what? A vector. B vector is equal to minus 2 into A vector. Okay. Now this is of the form B vector is equal to lambda times A vector. Now where lambda is what? Lambda is equal to minus 2. B vector is the scalar multiple of A vector. Okay. If B is a multiple of A vector, A vector. Okay. B vector is a multiple of the vector A vector. Therefore, B vector is a multiple of a vector A vector. Scalar multiple of a vector A vector. B vector is a scalar multiple of a vector A vector. Hence, A vector and B vector are collinear. Hence, A vector and B vector are given vectors are collinear. Very simple in one marks. Okay, B vector is what? Is a multiple of A vector, scalar multiple of A vector. Next, find the direction cosines of the vector 13th one. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Direction cosines of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, in one mark, this one mark is important. Direction cosines only. X by r, y by r, z by r. X is what? 1, y is 2, z is 3. R means what? That's magnitude. Okay. Solution, you have to mention that A vector I plus 2j plus 3k. This magnitude of A vector is equal to R. Okay. 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square. Then you get 1 plus 4 plus 9. R is equal to root 14. Therefore, direction cosines of A vector are x by r, y by r. Okay, this means x is 1, y is 2, z is 3. Z is 3. X by r, x is what? 1. 1 by r means 1 by root 14. 2 by root 14. Next, 3 by root 14. These are the direction cosines of given vector. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Next question. Find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points. Vector joining the points A of 1, 2, minus 3 and B point minus 1, minus 2, 1. Directed from A to B. Directed from A to B. Directed from A to B. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points. Vector joining 2 points. Vector joining 2 points is what? AB vector. OB minus OA is 1. Then find out what? Direction cosines of AB vector. Then find out direction cosines of AB vector. First we have to find vector joining 2 points AB directed from A to B. Now A point is A point 1, 2, minus 3. B point minus 1, minus 2, 1. Okay, now OA vector is I plus 2j minus 3k. OB vector joining motion vector of the point P, origin minus I minus 2j plus k. Plus k. Okay. Then so to find EB vector joining 2 points, vector joining the points A and B. EB vector is equal to OB minus OA. OB is equal to what? OB minus I minus 2j plus k minus OA vector 2i plus 2j minus 3k minus I minus 2i minus 2j minus 4j plus k minus into minus plus 3k 4k minus I minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus minus into minus plus k plus 3k 4k. This is AB vector. And we have to find the magnitude of AB vector R is equal to magnitude of A is R. Now minus 2 square plus minus 4 whole square. Directly we have to write down minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 square is 16, 4 square is 16. Directly write down, no problem. 4 square. 4 plus 16 plus 16. Now R is equal to 16 plus 4, 20. Okay, 16 plus 4, 20. Plus 16 is 36. Root 36 is 3. 6. Okay, root 36 is 6. Therefore, direction cosines of AB vector joining 2 points directed from A to B. Therefore, direction cosines of AB vector or direction cosines of AB vector are in this one xyz is what minus 2 minus 4 4. These are direction ratios, scalar components. Okay, x by r minus 2 by r is 6. Next minus 4 by 6, 4 by 6. Don't write I, J, K. Okay, only scalar components. Don't write I, J, K. Okay, minus 4 by 6, 4 by minus 4 by 6, 4 by 6. Because x is minus 2, y is minus 4, and z is 4. Okay, this implies minus 1 by 3. 2 into 1, 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. These are the direction cosines of AB vector. These are the direction cosines of AB vector. Okay. Check it one question. Show that the vector. Check it this one. Show that the vector. Show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis x, y, z. Okay, check it this one. This one 2 marks important. Show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis x, y, and z axis. Okay, tomorrow we continue. Thank you.